Dollar Tree dinner win. Meatless and delicious. Gnocchi magic. Creamy, cheesy, and comforting. Watch this.
Bon appetit.
Bon appetit. It's better than I expected for $1.25. I like the way I made it taste good.
It tastes
With the mushroom. And today, Eve, we are on this $1.25 journey
at the dollar store.
At the formerly Dollar Tree store.
The formerly known the dollar store.
We have here today gnocchi, potato gnocchi. Mm-hmm. We have the chicken broth that we use to cook it in. Italian blend cheese. Some mushrooms, because this is our vegetarian dish today. Mushrooms, sun-dried tomatoes that we already had though, so we're not going to include that. We already had the parmesan, we already had our olive oil, and we already had our carnation milk. So we only spent how much, Ian?
Spent $5.
$5. So for $5, you can feed you can feed at least a family of 4.
Right.
And I know that sounds, obviously you have to have some of the other ingredients already. Like I said, if you didn't, and they have them at Dollar Tree, because they're becoming so affordable and a lot of families are going now to get a lot of their supplies to them, things run out really quickly. With that said, like Ian said, you could have fed a family of 4 on $8, which you can't even go to the fast food drive-through.
Here's our vitamin content.
So we cooked our potato gnocchi in chicken broth, and it says usually it's done when it floats up to the top, but I actually cooked it in the skillet, so it's probably not really going to float to the top. So I would say I'm just kind of stirring it around, and then I'll drain it and put the other vegetables that go with it. So we have some onions and some garlic, and I just put some seasoning on here and some olive oil. Just trying to get our onions to be a little translucent. And then I'm going to add my sun-dried tomatoes to this and mushrooms. And then the sun-dried tomatoes is going to have some of that red oil from it. So it's going to be pretty when we add the evaporated milk to it. It'll have like a vodka cream type of looking. Our gnocchi sauce.
We added our jar mushrooms with our translucent onions and garlic.
So we have our mushrooms, our onions, our garlic. I added our sun-dried tomatoes and a little bit of pasta sauce. And now I'm going to put our evaporated milk, which will serve as our cream. And then I will put our gnocchi that we already cooked back in. So we have this beautiful looking orangey sauce here, creamy sauce. And then I'm going to put our gnocchi back in here. And you can call this our vegetarian meal today. There's no meat in it whatsoever.
Putting the gnocchi in the sauce.
So here's our cooked gnocchi that we have in here. Just putting it in our sauce, coating it. Just make sure all your gnocchi is fully coated. And to serve, you want to put a little bit of shredded mozzarella and grated parmesan, and that's it.
Here are a list of ingredients.
Look at here, look at here.
Mm-hmm.
What you got here?
Ooh, we got a lot. We got the gnocchi.
You got the gnocchi. You got the meatless meat.
The meatless meat, that's right.
Yes, you got your gnocchi. So, mushrooms has that umami sensation, which kind of gives you the feel like you're eating meat, but you're not. It's, you're eating your veggies here. You got your sun-dried tomatoes there.
Cheese.
Yeah, so
we're all set up.
And listen, if you're vegan, hey, get your vegan cheese here. You don't have to have this cheese. Please don't be mad at me, okay? You get your vegan milk too. Get your vegan milk on, please.
Bon appetit.
Bon appetit. It's better than I expected for $1.25.
But it tastes very well.
I like the way I made it taste good.
It tastes
with the mushroom and sun-dried tomato.
Yeah, tastes delicious. I like the texture. It really is. It's
pretty good, I think, for a vegetarian meal.
But then again, for $8 for a meal, can't beat it. Can't beat it.
The truth is that it cost us $5 at the store.
Yeah.
But figuring that you can get hold of the other stuff that we had, still underneath $10. You got family of 4. If you have small kids, 6 can eat this and be completely satisfied, and be completely nutritionally sound and well. So, here's my call to action.
There we go.
Don't forget to click the like button by giving us a virtual hug. And if you haven't subscribed already, please do so. And if you're new to this channel, welcome, and share this channel with your family and friends. But you too can do this yourself and go to the dollar quarter store, Dollar Tree.
Dollar Tree.
And
dollar quarter store, as I would call it now.
and do this yourself. And I want to show you my 2 books. If you love salads, here's a book for you. If you love salads. And again, a twist on boring salads. So you get to have a variety and make unique salads. And this book here, Loving Every Bite, just came out. They're both available on Amazon.com. And this has everything in here for everyone. Keto, vegetarian, regular eaters. There's something in here for everyone. And you'll truly enjoy loving every bite of this recipe.